There's a lot of hidden gems and resort-specific things you can find along the boulevard that might surprise you or you wouldn't think would be there. One of those was brought to my attention recently. Before I get into that, what you see on the screen here is the Polynesian Hotel. I did a video on that recently about if this is possibly the worst hotel in Myrtle Beach, so check the description for the link for that and let me know what you think about that hotel. Moving on to a recent comment I received, which states, hey, there's something to check out. There's a tunnel between 13th Avenue South and South Ocean Boulevard. It's by the Sea Mist Motel. To which I replied,
what?
Unbeknownst to me, there is a tunnel under Ocean Boulevard that looks like this by the Sea Mist. On the corner of 13th Avenue by Jason's Cafe, there is an access via some stairs to an underground tunnel that goes from one side of the boulevard to the other. I honestly had no idea this even existed. As you can see here, there's the Sea Mist across the street. Not much traffic. It's still the off season, but this road will be packed. Give it a month or two. See, please use walkway. So, according to that sign, we need to use this walkway, so let's head on down. Based on that picture I showed earlier that was directly from the Sea Mist website, I was excited because I like murals, I like folk art, I like stuff painted on walls. But when I saw blank walls, my reaction went a little like this.
What?
There is no art on the walls. As you can see, there's still some murals on the ceiling, which are cool. And the stucco finish make the shark's teeth look kind of cool. I like that. But I was anticipating a fully painted hallway, and what we got was just a whitewash. Also, the previous picture from the Sea Mist Motel's website shows mirrors all along this corridor, and there are no mirrors there, at least on this day. Now, it is the off season, so it is a possibility that they're going to come in here and repaint it for the summer crowd, but I don't think that's the case. If you know otherwise, comment down below and let me know, because I'd love to revisit this little walkway if there's going to be fresh paint added to the walls, you know, an updated mural, and maybe plantings in these little planters. So let's take a look back at what I was talking about. This is what's advertised for this walkway per the hotel's website, and this is what you get. So I'm a little disappointed. Still cool to see the mural on the ceiling, which is still left. If I were to hazard a guess, I'd say maybe there was some graffiti down there and they just had to cover it up, or vandals kept manipulating the murals. That's my knee-jerk reaction to my findings down here. Coming up the steps, you can see that we are on the east side of Ocean Boulevard now. Over there was the entrance we went down, and here we are on this side, adjacent to the Sea Mist Resort. So at this time of year, it's kind of silly because there's very little traffic and very little foot traffic. But in the summertime, the boulevard's pretty darn busy, so I could see this being utilized, especially during spring break or the bike weeks, where the flow of vehicular traffic on the road is just constant and dense, and it's hard to cross. Here's another closer look at the murals that are still there in the tunnel. Like the signage we saw earlier says, this tunnel is under video surveillance 24/7 by the resort. So just keep that in mind, that they advertise it as a safe corridor from one side of the street to the other. A little pink light over there in the corner, it's kind of cool. I didn't notice that while I was walking. Thanks for watching, and if there are any other hidden gems along the boulevard that you know of that maybe I wasn't aware of, comment down below. Let me know, and maybe I'll make a visit. Until next time, take it easy.